The Iapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, had announced the first Iapmala North-East Motorcross Championships 2021 to be held on the 10th and 11th of December this year at Iapmala in East JAINTIA Hills. The club, which has members from all the northeastern states, also calls for participation of riders from across the length and breadth of the country. One of the organizers, Shillong, informed that this is the first time that a two-wheeler motocross is being held in the district. Some of the programs for the two-day event include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night where visitors will be able to let their hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music that the area has to offer. The Motocross Championship will involve an entry fee of Rs 3,000 for the expert category, Rs 2,500 for the novice category, and Rs 2,500 for the two-stroke category. Cash amount for winners of the first, second and third prizes will be awarded for all categories of participants, Shillong informed.
Tengi la snok tilang rubat ka Motorsport Club of Meghalaya. Te lamba gendiga MSCM ila yok sibun kilat ban penjat gendiga First Iapmala North-East Championship 2021. Te kunta akjing ide hibat kenik program kujongi ila kerpat ya kipai ba jeng kinong sosnong jong North-East barok away. Bat kunjo ya kinong sosnong jong India barok away ba. Kinwan ban judan tanang hak gendiga program kujongi. Ya ke program ila ada buat kan habai asni kan cipeu bat katwe Desember 2021. Gede sen ke Banungkong ban donru kum gede ke Motorsport Club hapo JAINTIA. Kam judon ba suppose kini ki por bela dep don ki ba penjai kum ga itam sa ka penjai de kelima untuk tengi mentang ila tahu ya kini ga sport club kujongi ban penjai no dak baik ru untuk apa ke export ke baik entry ke long lai hajar bat ke first prize ke long lai peu second prize ke long arusan bat khatsan ke bat third prize te ke novice bat ke hab ke entry fee ke long arhajar sanspa bat ke first prize ke jongka ke long khatsan hajar bat 10,000 pat new hajar do balai te ka two stroke de ka long arhajar sanspa hi ke entry fee ka hab ka price ke jongka long first price kharsan chheu ban new